Hey, it's Ted here. I'm in the Marine Lab. We're working on our advanced electricity class. My students, they're putting their projects together. So they're making center consoles, and then they're going to laminate and cut them out and put all the electrical pieces in and then wire it. So let's see what's going on. So something like up there is, they're going to make something like that, and they're working on cutting boards and using chop saws and finding angles and learning how to use woodworking tools. So we got everything from saws, table saws, routers, chop saws. We're going to end up laminating these with Formica so they have a nice finished surface, so then they have to drill through that surface. They're going to find center lines, prepare them for gauge installation, steering installation, throttle, stuff like that. So a lot of good stuff they're learning here. This is, some of them have never used a saw before, so this is a great introduction to power tools and hand tools. It's their own design. I let them be creative in this. So it's a fun project for them to start. And this is what is part of their advanced electricity class. So when these are all done, we'll take another video and I'll post that so you can see how they're doing. If you are interested in it, feel free, call the college at 401-739-5000. Hope to see you here in the near future.